what is software project management? So we are discussing about the entire financial matters. For example, we are taking up the any huge project, a small project. So compared to their requirements, maybe the cost are sufficient or not sufficient, maybe the time are sufficient or not sufficient, and size of the project is sufficient or not sufficient. So they are able to do this project or not. So this is the main thing of software project management. Only we are discussing software economics, like a financial matters only we are discussing in this subject. So first of all, we are discussing about the conventional software management. First topic is conventional software management. So conventional is nothing but a traditional version, like a older days. They are using software development process. Do you know? Maybe you all know waterfall model. Already we discussed about this waterfall model. So like in general present situation, they are calling about conventional software management, like a older days, which are they using for the 90s, 80s maybe. So then that we are transitioning to the modern technologies, like a agile model. Okay. So basically, best example is conventional model is waterfall model. Get it right, waterfall model. So what are the elements of waterfall model?
Planning.
Maybe documentation, planning, designing, and development, and deployment and maintenance. These are all elements for the developing any project. Okay. So compared to older version like a conventional software management or modern technologies, modern software management. So there will be differentiation between the two models. Like 90s, 80s, we are using conventional software project management. Okay. So in that cases, only 10% of project we are delivering the on-time schedules. Okay. That's the main reason of why we are avoiding this conventional software management. That transition to the modern business. So only around 100% of project we are taking up the project, but only we are delivering the 10% of projects at the on-time delivery. Remaining 90% of we are delayed with the timelines and we are huge expenditures. We are not need to maybe we are not getting the exact requirements. These are all things will be happening in the conventional software management. So you have idea about the conventional model, why we are not using this conventional model. Okay. The best example is waterfall model. Maybe waterfall model is one of the topest models the world earlier days. Why? Because they are shifted in that. For example, waterfall model. How will you work the waterfall model? How will work the waterfall model? Generally, we take up any project at the stage of documentation. We are discussing about the entire project for the how much budget and how much cost and what time we are delivering the project. Then we are going to the planning part, planning review. So then the planning will be approved. Then we are going to the design part. So maybe then we are maybe the designing part also approved. Then we are going to development part, scripting part. So we are working with the senior softwares and senior architects. So some of reasons client is not able to understand the exact. We are employees, so we are not able to understand the exact client requirements. So maybe there will be mix will be happening. Do you know about the mix? Already we discussed about software engineering. Mix like as a fault, misunderstanding. Okay. So in that cases we are developing the entire project. Some of mixes will be happening in this. Maybe the race will be happening in scripting part. Again we are starting with the starting stage. We have closed this application. We don't need to more than any expectations. We are going to the again same part, starting stage. So maybe the entire part will be taken maybe 1 month or 2 months. So there will be loss of the working hours and employment expenditures and requirements are will be we get a loss of the amount. So in that cases we are not using the waterfall model. So that's why we are ignoring the model. They are shifted into the
Agile.
modern methodologies like agile methodology. So that is the conventional software management. So this is the theoretical part of the entire software management process. You got it? Conventional is nothing but a traditional world, like all the days they are using this conventional software management, like a waterfall model. So why we are shifted into modern technology and the definition applying that to. So lack of budgets and waste of time and waste of cost. So maybe there will be misleadings of the software organization to the client. So this is the conventional model. So best example is waterfall model. So present situation ఏంటంటే 100% application delivery is on time work. కానీ conventional model ఏంటంటే only 10% of projects only we are delivering the on time schedules. Remaining 90% అంతా కూడా delay అయిపోతుంది. Maybe lack of requirements, maybe lack of persons like a people, system requirements. So మనకి ఎక్స్పెండిచర్స్ ఏం లేకపోతే మనం ఆన్ టైం ఇవ్వలేము ప్రోడక్ట్. సో దానివల్ల మనం న్యూ మోడల్కి కన్వర్ట్ అయ్యాం. అర్థమైందా? సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద కన్వెన్షనల్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్.